Are you a student or a working professional who is looking for a 16-inch laptop which is portable yet powerful? Then Lenovo ThinkBook 16 might be the one you are looking for. Is it worth your money? Let's find out and unbox it first. So first of all, we got some manuals and warranty cards which are important but not for us. So moving on, we got a 65-watt charger with a C-type pin as usual as Lenovo gives, and a charging cord which is of good material, it's thick, and obviously our ThinkBook. Okay, time for the first impression of it. The body is sleek, it looks premium, not too much thick, not too much thin. It has a aluminum grey metallic top, and talking about its back, it got the rubber grips here, and it's written ThinkBook here, and we have the space for the air vacuumations, two 2-watt speakers here, and let's open it. The hinge is good but can't open it without single hand, and it got a 180-degree hinge. That means it can go down here. Removing it. Let's first of all talk about its weight. It weighs around 1.79 kilograms, which is decent for a 16-inch screen laptop. Let's switch it on. Alright, here are the few things that I noticed after switching it on. First thing, it got a fingerprint sensor which is good, a backlit keyboard, and a dedicated co-pilot button here. Also, we got a privacy shutter cam here, 720 megapixel, which is quite good for decent meetings and video calls. Now talking about its display, we got a 16-inch WUXGA IPS display, has a resolution of 1920x1200 and gives a taller 16:10 aspect ratio. Colors are accurate and views are solid. It got a 300 nits brightness, which is decent for indoor work and outdoor work too. Also, we got 45% of NTSC colors in this device. Now coming to the performance part, it got a Ryzen 7 7735HS processor with a 16GB of DDR5 RAM and 512GB SSD. Multitasking is smooth in this PC. If you are opening multiple tabs or using web browser, a little bit of coding, little bit of gaming or editing, it worked efficiently. But it doesn't have a dedicated GPU in it. It has the AMD Ryzen graphics in it for the processing of the heavy taskings. But it does not have a dedicated GPU. It got the AMD Ryzen graphics for processing the tasks which needs a graphic card. The keyboard is comfortable to type. The backlit is good for low lighting condition, and I've already mentioned the co-pilot button here, and the trackpad is responsive and precise. It doesn't have any lower buttons here. For connectivity, it got an HDMI port, Ethernet cable, USB-C type, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, covers all your essential ports like USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, 3.2 Type A, Thunderbolt 4, C-type charging, and SD card reader for creators, including the 3.2mm jack. Now it's time to talk about its power, its battery life. If you work on it decently, then it will run around 5 to 6 hours. Now time for the final verdict here. If you're looking for a laptop under the 50,000 budget segment and you need a powerful performance in it and obviously a big screen, a literally big screen of 16 inches, then this one will be the best one for you in this price segment, because ThinkBook is one of the best performing laptop for this kind of usage. If you're a student or if you're a working professional, or you are someone who just need to start up with a better quality of laptop with a big screen. The only cons I found in this laptop is this laptop heats up a little faster And also the brightness, it got only 300 nits brightness, which is good for indoor condition, but in outdoor condition it's not up to the mark. And that's all in this video about the Lenovo ThinkBook 16. And if you found this video useful and informative and want more such kind of reviews, then what you have to do, then just hit the like button, comment down your thoughts. If you're having any query, then comment down them too. And what else, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.